Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add the subscribe button to your YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then select My Channel and open any Shorts video. You might notice that there's no subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Instead, you only see Analytics. That's because as the channel owner, you can't subscribe to your own channel. You can only view your video's performance. But don't worry, the subscribe button is visible to everyone else. To confirm this, go back and turn on incognito mode in YouTube. Now, search for your channel and play one of your Shorts videos. You'll see that the subscribe button is there for viewers. So there's nothing extra you need to do. YouTube automatically adds the subscribe button to your Shorts for all viewers, except for the channel owner. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more YouTube tips. Thanks for watching.